Good evening. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the internet. This is Tag along with William Alunge. I'm just here to expose the scammers. This is what I went through, and I am here to warn, to give a scammers alert to the new YouTubers, upcoming content creators. These scammers are real and they are relentless. So I just wanted to give you heads eye. I don't know where these guys get my phone number from, but so I saw he WhatsApped me to say, actually, let me go straight into it. I will show you my WhatsApp so that you know these guys are real. And I'm just here to warn you, to say be very careful, because what they do is they really know that us new YouTubers are really desperate to get subscribers. So they are now going around looking for all new YouTubers. So be warned and be very careful, guys. Let me see if I can change this.